Hi everyone, I am making a game in Unity. I am a hobbyist. I am a self-taught programmer, a self-taught 3D modeler, and I've taught myself how to create musics. I'm not very good at all of them, but I am working on a game right now called Ntaj, and and it requires programming, 3D modeling, and creating musics. Um, I'll be making videos while creating the game. So you'll get to see how I create the game, and then I've already done some some work on the game, and I'm going to show you what I've done so far. So here we got the scene view, and this is the game view in Unity, or the game window. I'm going to go to my character. Okay. Um, what I have so far is 2 houses and um, a bunch of tools, and I'm not finished with this game yet. So this is just the beginning, and this is the first level of the game. And then I have a test scene, and this is where I test the player and the canvas, or the menu, and so far I've gotten the player to move around, and I've also got the player to attack. Okay, so I'm able to lock on with tab, and and I've created I've also created the UI menu. We have but I've only created it for the controller. So so we have the joystick and the keyboard controller, and here we can set the gamepad and the keyboard to false and true. Since camera sensitivity, um, thumbstick, invert thumbstick, and uh, north, south, east, west buttons, D-pad, and I haven't named these yet because I am going to change their name based on their actions in the based on their actions in the game, such as let's say mouse 1 or button south is for attacking, east button or left alt is for dodging, and so on. So this is what I have currently in our and my game. I have the AI set up for the opponent as well, but there are things that I wanted to change, and there's still a lot of things that I want to do, so I'm not finished yet. Once I'm finished with the testing, I'm going to uh, uh, export or create prefabs out of um, the objects and the testing to the main game. And there's a lot that I haven't done yet, so I'm just going to do that in the next video. And let's see. This is in this game. I was going to create 2 players, but but um, um, but the UI doesn't allow uh, different players to interact with different UI. So instead of creating 2 players, I've decided to create 1 player. So this became a 1 player game that I'm making, and I wanted to make this game because uh, well, I like gaming first of all, but I wanted to make it because to me making games seems interesting. I have to learn a lot, and I think learning is one of the things that I like doing when it comes to building games, and I like designing and just making games in general. Um, so I also have different clothes on this character. The player and the opponent have similar clothes. They're supposed to be able to change their clothes um, on pickup. So let's see. Let's go here. We can remove the armor. We can remove the armors, and then we can add the armors back on. And we can also change weapons. But instead of creating weapons, I'm just going to use the sword for this game because I have to keep track of a lot of animations, and I'm not able to keep track of all of them all by myself. So I'm just going to create animations for the sword and for the sword and the shield. And those are the animations that I'm going to keep track on for the main character. And then this is it, I think. For the next video, I'm going to I'm going to start making the game, and thank you for watching.